Okay.
Hi, Hannah.
Why is it doing that?
She's there.
Hey, okay.
All
You're
right.
here.
You
So
feel
this
safe
is
there, huh?
Hannah.
Nice, okay.
This is Hannah.
Are
Hi,
you the one
Hannah.
who's been talking to me? Did you tell me about your child? Okay. All right. Thank you for sharing that with me. I appreciate that. Is there anything we can do for you? You know, if you're here with us, did you see the lights that flashed? Can you make those lights flash again? Are you still with us? Hannah, are you still with us?
The pen is going crazy.
I'll probably shake it. I'm scratching it.
Come here.
That does work though. That's a great pendant. I love that.
I like the heft of it.
It's okay to come on back and talk to us.
Was there too many people around? Is that what scared you
You
off?
want privacy?
Can you tell us where you're standing? That's Mark over there. Are you standing by Mark? That's Linda. Are you standing by Linda? Do you think you could touch Linda in a non-threatening way so she knows where you are?
On my arm.
Hmm?
On my arm.
On your arm?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Okay.
Who do you think it is?
Hannah, I think.
Hannah?
Yeah.
Who's Hannah?
This is Hannah.
Oh,
I was talking to the mother of a child.
look at that.
Yeah.